If you want to see my review of Differin Gel, then just keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. And here on our channel, if you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, and of course live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then consider subscribing by pressing the red subscribe button and clicking the bell notification to be notified of when I upload. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. I love the engagement. I love how our community is growing. And of course, I'm going to tell you all today about Differin Gel and give you an update and show you a demo about how to use it. So keep on watching. So I did a previous video. I'll link it up here in the cards for you guys to go and check it out. And it got a pretty good amount of views on it, and it was about Differin Gel, and I talked about in that video if it really worked for me. And I spoke about some of the wonderful benefits that I was experiencing using it. So now I'm giving you guys an update since I did get some questions on that video, even up till today. Even though I did that video probably about 5 or 6 months ago, maybe a little bit more. And so I just want to answer some of those questions and give you guys a brief demo about how I use Differin Gel. So for those of you who are not familiar with Differin Gel, or let me just give you a quick rundown of my skin. I do have adult acne, I guess you could say. It's mild to moderate. It's not too bad. I'm keeping it at bay, and definitely Differin Gel is definitely helping me do that. So I did do also a skincare video. I have to do an updated one since I do use different products now, but I did review Proactive, the Proactive Plus skincare line. It's pretty new, and I'll also link that in the cards right there. So I've been using that in conjunction with this Differin Gel, and it has definitely helped to keep my acne at bay. I really don't get too much of it anymore, just a little bit mainly on my chin when that time of the month comes. As we ladies know, it's pretty annoying, but I do get maybe 1 or 2 pimples at most, and they leave fairly quickly because of my skincare routine. My skin, since using Differin Gel, has felt so smooth, so soft, and I do notice a reduction in the size of my pores, and that my skin overall is just much cleaner and clearer, and the dark spots are starting to fade. So I have been using it for the past, I believe, 4 or 5 months. Every night before I go to bed, and I'm gonna now show you a demo about how I use Differin Gel. Okay, so I finished taking off all of my makeup and cleansing my face. So this is how my skin looks without anything on it. I just finished cleansing it, and now I'm going to use a pea size of this Differin Gel. Looks like that. I'm gonna use about that much. I'll put some on this side and rub it and pat it on in. Put some on this side. Chin. This is where I get most of my breakouts as an adult. So make sure I put it along my chin and my jawline. And then the rest on my forehead. The rest of my nose too. Whatever's left, I put down my neck. Make sure it's all patted in, and then that's it. Now wait a few minutes, put on my serum before I go to bed, and that's how I use the Differin Gel, only at night. Now here's the rest of the video. So what do you guys think? Have you guys ever heard of Differin Gel? I'm pretty sure if you go into pretty much any pharmacy, or like Walgreens, Rite Aid, Duane Reade, you will find it. It is available by non-prescription. You don't have to go to a doctor to get it. A lot of the acne treatments now are You don't need a prescription for them. You can literally just walk into your nearest pharmacy and get it. Differin Gel is one of the first, I believe, to be sold over the counter at pharmacies. So it does come in 2 different sizes. The size that I have, I'm going to show you right here what the packaging looks like. I do have it in the 1.6 ounce. So this cost me about, I believe, $30 plus tax, and I love it. This is about my 3rd tube that I have. I use it, as I showed in the demo, pea size. Every night before I go to bed, I don't wash it off. I just put the pea size amount on, leave it on my skin, and that's it. I use it every night, and I don't use it in the morning. I don't use it anytime in the morning before my makeup, none of that. I only use it at night after I thoroughly cleanse my skin. So if you guys have any questions about Differin Gel, or if you want to know where to get it from or anything like that, definitely leave me a question down below. Keep in mind that I am not an esthetician. I am just telling you guys what products have worked and helped to clear up my skin and keep my acne at bay. So just keep that in mind when you're using this product. Some products may work for you, some products may not. Everything is about trial and error. You find what works best for your skin. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you drop me a comment down below or drop me the question down below. Check out my other skincare videos up here. Maybe you guys will find some products that you like. Of course, share with the community what your thoughts are, or if any of these products helped you. I would definitely appreciate it, as well as everybody else in the community. Don't forget to consider subscribing. If you're not subscribed already, click the red subscribe button and click the bell notification next to it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot, and I really do appreciate it. Follow me on social media. I usually put my social medias throughout my videos. And of course, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.